Good Saturday morning, guys. After watching music last night, kind of fell asleep and that was it. So this is a belated a good night from me and a good night from Chelle. Oh, good night from him, from Chelle. Which I didn't say very well. You can tell I've just got out of bed. And I'm trying to do two things and being a bloke I can't. I'm trying to talk and fill the kettle up at the same time. It ain't working out very well. So with that, I'll start the Saturday vlog. Well, vlog. Use my words. Moving on. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is, I'm looking behind the camera and wishing I hadn't thought about it, but I'm looking in the utility room and it's just been a dumping ground because we don't use the back door, we go out the front door, and we've got a repairman coming to do the repair on the dryer on Tuesday. So my task is to make this look like a utility room again. So let's see what I can do. Moving on. Okay guys, and that's it. I've done what I needed to do. The worst part of it was actually cleaning these, because we used to have a deep fat fryer on there until about 20 minutes ago. I've thrown it out now, we're never using that thing again. It just puts fat all over the place. So I had to scrub the tiles down. I'm not really finished, not got them completely clean yet, but it's a lot better than it was. So clean, when these dry out from washing, put them back on there, and then that's it, completely clear. And that's my task for today. I'm now going to go and do some editing. Moving on. It's all going to be a surprise.
Pretty much.
Looking forward to it.
I am actually, yeah.
Yes, I am. Okay guys, we're off out date night. Chelle is true to form. It's a cheap date. We're going to watching a speech by
Andy Kirkpatrick.
Okay, so let's get off up to the Lemon Tree in Aberdeen. Moving on. Okay guys, that's us in Aberdeen. Michelle's just paying for the parking. And I've been really considerate and drove right next to the parking machine so that she didn't have far to walk. And she's just said, why, I'm going to pay on my phone. So, modern technology. And we've got half an hour, so it'll take us 10 minutes to walk there, so it's not too bad. We're 20 minutes before it starts, yeah. So, we shall tell you all about it afterwards. I won't be able to record in the venue, I don't think. In fact, I know I won't. So, with that, we'll speak to you all after this event is over. Okay guys, that's us back from watching
Andy Kirkpatrick.
That's us back from watching Andy Kirkpatrick, and it was really good. I really enjoyed that. Very good talk, wasn't it? 2 hours.
2.5 hours.
Yeah. I had a couple of beers, so obviously Michelle's got to drive now. But well worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah, totally worth it.
So, with that, we'll get off home. We did nip into the Brewdog for a beer, but you can't actually get in.
It's pretty busy.
It's busy. Nowhere to sit, and I thought, I don't want to stand up and have a beer. So, obviously, I'm yawning as well. So, let's get home and drink a bottle of wine. Ish. Moving on.